Determine momentum angles for vehicles involved in a collision. First, define the position and angle of Vehicle 1 approach. Next, define the position and angle for Vehicle 2 approach, and pick two positions for the post-impact trajectory of Vehicle 1 and two positions for the post-impact trajectory of Vehicle 2. All angles are relative to Vehicle 1 approach. The angles are labeled on the diagram, and we can select the momentum tool to bring up the grips and the properties. The grips can be used to adjust the angles, or we can use the extend grip to extend the label out further. From the properties panel, we can change the layer and colors of the vehicles, adjust the angles, and change the text height and rotation. The vehicle outline is just a visual aid and can be easily turned off for the final diagram. Labels can also be turned off and on, and we can optionally lock the tool so angles can no longer be changed by the grips. Once you've determined the momentum angles, we can go to the scene analysis and use these angles to determine speeds.